Hello. Dropstone versus erratic. Let's capture the contrast. A dropstone is a rock fragment that is unusually large or different in type, indicating it was dropped into the surrounding marine or lacustrine sediment from above, vertically or at an angle, leaving impact marks or deformation in the sediment. A dropstone appears as an out-of-place fragment contrasting with the surrounding deposits. Dropstones end up in layer sediments through two main delivery methods: projectiles, falling directly, and rafting, carried by something. Projectiles are rocks that fall directly into sediments from above, like volcanic bombs or meteorites. Rafting can be done by living organisms. In that case, it's called biological rafting. Some dropstones may actually be gastrolith stones carried inside animals as part of their stomach contents. Vegetation can also trap and transport stones, and flotation can occur when lightweight materials float directly on the water surface or hitch a ride on something buoyant like a drifting tree. Human activity also creates dropstones, such as when dropstone rocks, ballast rocks, or debris are dumped into marine or lake sediments from boats or coastal construction. Ice rafting occurs when ice carries rocks and drops them into sediment as it melts. This can happen via icebergs, growlers, or other floating ice fragments. Dropstones of ice-rafted origin are striated, and they are key indicators of cold climate conditions. They can be confused with stone transported by seasonal ice or avalanches. An erratic, also known as glacial erratic, is a rock fragment carried by glacier or ice sheet that contrasts with the surrounding bedrock on land. Erratics may sit atop of the ground or be lodged within glacial till. A moving glacier crushes the bedrock and carries the fragments, and when the glacier retreats, those rocks are deposited far from the source. If a piece of rock lands on the glacier, with time it dives into glacier body, and finally, when the glacier retreats, it ends up on the land surface. The size of erratics can vary dramatically, from tiny pebbles to massive boulders. Summarizing, the crucial distinction lies in where and how dropstone and erratics are deposited. Dropstones are set by dropping into layered sediments in water, marine or lacustrine. Erratics were transported by glacier on land. Dropstones can originate from glacial ice, look for striae, but also from other sources. Erratics are clear indicators for glaciation. Thank you for watching. With Geo greetings. See you next time.